This video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the website adcore.io. This site adcore.io is a dangerous site that basically targets Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you actually download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. These extensions may change the default search engine settings without the user's permission or approval. And so if this extension was somehow installed, the extension promoted through these adcore.io pop-ups, you need to definitely undertake the measures and remove this extension. So access the menu, extensions, manage extensions, and then you need to get rid of the junk extensions in case you detect their presence on the list. Finally, I recommend you to investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively identify and eliminate all other threats which might still possibly remain on the system. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.